Go on, Rob, give us a commentary. We're just we're just short of a totally, aren't we, Rob? What do you reckon? What do you reckon that drop?
That is... Oh my God!
Oh my God!
I've not considered these doors may not be that secure.
Oh shit!
Absolutely unbelievable.
So we've now got to a stage where the roof rack's going to get stuck under the overhang, so Rinku's had to go ahead and scope out the height so we can get through with a van. It's the narrowest piece of road we've been down. The drop to the river is estimate 2,000 feet. It's just completely... What do you reckon, Rob?
I'm no good. You reckon 2,000 feet? Unbelievable.
Absolutely the maddest road I've ever been down in my life, and oh my word. Absolutely amazing.
This is so impressive.
There's a waterfall dropping hundreds of feet onto the road just round the corner. Look at that. Look at that. Ready? It's going to look good. It's going to destroy the camera. I think it's probably time for me to go inside at this stage. Are you ready? Whoa! Here we go! Oh no! Stop it! I can't close the window! Nobody can sit there now.